to my channel, and hello if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you some super cute, easy, and kawaii makeup ideas for Halloween. Or if you just want to be a unicorn, you know that's cool too. So stick around and enjoy the video, and please remember to subscribe. So the first thing I'm doing here is putting on all my base makeup, you know, foundation, concealer, and we'll get into the contour and blush soon. So yeah, just put some on and blend. Yep. And don't forget concealer, put that on and blend that out too. So next we're gonna go on ahead and do contour and chisel out them cheekbones and things. Yep, I need to clean that makeup brush. It's the only makeup brush I always forget to clean because it's in a little contour kit. But yeah, just do your nose and your cheekbones and contour and stuff. Yep, okay. And then add a little blush to your cheeks. When it comes to Halloween makeup or more decorative makeup, I always like to put a little more blush so my cheeks are very rosy and sweet looking. So yeah, just blend it in. So when it comes to Halloween makeup, you always want to use color eyeshadows, whether that be for your eyes or for on your cheekbones or to make cute little animal noses with. Colorful eyeshadows and colorful lipsticks always help when doing fun and kawaii and just extravagant styles with makeup. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to do rainbow eyeshadow. Kind of like what I did here, although I put a lot more rainbows on my face and a little more detailed. But yeah, you can go be as detailed or as not detailed as you want. You just start with the colors on your eyeshadow, on your eyelids, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And then you just blend those out and add glitter. Makes a soft rainbow if you're looking for something more basic, or you can even add more rainbows all over your face like I did if you want something more like crazy. And there I am adding glitter. So yeah. So for the next makeup look I'll be showing you is how to do a cute animal nose like a kitty or a unicorn, such as I have pictured here. And you're going to want to start off by blending one of the same color, just soft. I'm doing soft pinks for a little kitten look, and I'm just blending those in and adding glitter. So yeah, there I am fixing the camera. So I'm adding my glitter, and then next you're gonna want to put on some dramatic eyeliner, whether you're a kitty or a unicorn or whatever animal. They all have pretty eyes, so make sure you have cute eyeliner and stuff. Yep. So now I'm going to show you how to do the little animal / kitty nose. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw a little upside down triangle and connect the triangle down through to 2 lines down to your cupid's bow of your lip. So it kind of looks like a little nose. And then you can go ahead and fill it in with a lipstick or lip gloss, as I'm getting right here. And just be careful when you're filling it in to add some little color to your little kitten nose. Or unicorn nose, or whatever. You know what I mean. So then I forgot mascara, so make sure you put on mascara. Sooner or later I'm thinking about trying false eyelashes. Maybe I'll do a video about that. But yeah, just adding some highlighter and making me look like a kawaii little kitty. And deciding on which lipstick. I couldn't decide which lipstick to use, so it was taking a minute, but I ended up choosing the Too Faced 90s remix one or whatever. I don't know what it's called. And then I put on my cat ears and added some whiskers. To be honest, I kind of failed at the whiskers, but I tried. I still look like a little kawaii kitty. So yeah. And then for these final last 2 little makeup ideas, I'm going to show you how to add some like antique vampire bruises like I did in this photograph here. And I'm just taking a little black and putting it on my arm or wherever on your cheek or whatever, and blending it out with a foundation brush. Blend. So yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. I hope you liked today's video. I'm a kitty. And I will see you all later.